Hi Ursula, it's Celeste here from Celeste Morrison Design. I'm just creating a video for you so you know how to edit your website. I'll try and make it as brief as possible, and then if you have any further questions you can just let me know. So I thought we'd just get this rolling so that basically you can finish your website and add what you want. I feel like I've kind of created the platform for you now, and you've got everything that you need, so there's no point in me really going in there and changing everything because we'll probably be here for a while if we're doing that back and forth. And I'm kind of not really doing web design at the moment. It's more just an on the side thing since I'm working kind of like a full-time job now. So I'd really appreciate if you can kind of get the hang of this, and I'll try my very best to show you how to use it all. And then if we could just make the final payment and kind of get that all done, and then any other questions you need help with, just let me know. Alright, so basically this is the page you're going to see once you've logged in. So you wanted to go to gusto on hutstreet.com.au and then just dash WP admin. Sorry, I'm a little bit tired after work. Anyway, so you've typed that in, you put in your password, and then you'll come up with this page. Basically, this is the back end of your website. It's where you can edit everything and change everything and upload different images and what have you. So on the side here is like your menu of everything that will be on your website. So if you want to go to, say, for example, I think posts, I'll just have a quick look. No, just ignore that because you won't really need that. Trying to find just your normal pages. That's right, pages. So you want to go down to pages, and this is like where you have everything, like your about us section, your blog, your contact page, so forth. So for example, if you went into your about us section, this is where you would edit all of that information about us. I think you mentioned something about putting this in a different font or a different color. So you've got your fonts, kind of like here is like the sizes. I don't think you can really change the font so much, but you can definitely change the color. So for example, if you wanted this like a nice maroon, you can just click maroon there, and it's gone in that nice color there. I'll change this back just in case you don't like that, but for example, if you wanted to see that on your website, just hit this big update button anytime you make any changes, and that will actually save live onto your website. So we'll just wait for that, and then to open your website at any time, just come up here and open this in a new tab, visit site. And while that's just waiting to upload, basically you can make any changes to any of the text on your website by going to pages and then finding the page. So here's your website. So we've just changed something on the about us page, so go about us and scroll down and see now this is in like a really nice maroon. So that's kind of how you change colors and all of that. So I'll just change that back to black though, just in case you didn't want it that color. And update. And then if you refresh the page, you'll be able to see that it's gone back to black there. So that's how you change pretty much all your text and everything. You can do that with your contact page as well. So like here, that text there, that would be under pages and then contact page. Okay, so that's how you do pages. Then if you want to change things like the menu, you just go to menu, and then I think you asked if you just copy and paste or if it's all individual. Unfortunately, it is all individual, so you have to add every single kind of different menu tab, and then kind of add it all in here. So you want to put like the heading of your actual menu, and then just add them in like that. And then you'll have like your actual categories and the new meal, so you'd put your meal in here as well. And you've got like your different sections there as well to add them into. So it's pretty straightforward. If you do need any help, just ask, but it's pretty straightforward there. What else? So if you want to change like anything, like your menus, the organization of your menu, so like what order they show up here, so like home, about us, menu, events, gallery, contact, you can just go here and change them all. Book specialties, if you don't need that, you can just go here and then click remove and then save the menu up here if you don't need that tab, because I wasn't sure if you wanted that one. And then if you want to add any more new menus, you just create a new page and then it will pop up here, and then you can add to the menu. So say you want to add awesome page, just go add to menu, and I'll just, for the sake of showing you, save that, and then we'll refresh your page. My internet's a little slow, I think. Just wait for that. Yeah, and so now you have the awesome page. So it's created like its own little page, and obviously you could add something to that, whatever you want really. And that would be under that pages section there, awesome page, but I'll just remove that for now. So remove, save menu, and then refresh the page again. And once this is loaded, then the awesome page tab will be gone. But that's basically how you would add a new menu tab and how you would move stuff around as well. So see, now that's gone as well. So if you wanted like gallery to be above events, you'd just put it like that and so forth, and then hit the save menu. As for your themes and everything, you'd go to appearance and then themes, or theme options, I should say, theme options, yeah. So this is where basically you have everything that you need to change your background image, your logo. So I think you mentioned about having a different logo or something. So you can change that there. You just click upload. Try and keep the logo width and heights the same so it stays in that particular area, unless of course you want to have it moved up or down. That is where you would change your number or your address if any time you need to change that. And then these are your like social media links. So I think we've added Facebook for you, but you can add like pretty much anything else that you want there, and just click the save button when you change anything at the bottom. These are where you change your images, so like your tomatoes, your salt, I think it is salt there, your bay leaves, pretty much any image on your website. And then if you change those, just click the save button, make sure that's all updated. The pasta one will be on here somewhere. What else? So just trying to get through this as quick as possible for you. This is where you'd actually put your video. So when you create a video, you can upload the image of the video here, the URL here, and just make sure you have the right format. So just have a little look there. It'll probably tell you which format you need. So I think you need like a URL, so make sure it's like a URL. Background, slideshow images, so that's like your images on the home page. You can upload those there. Then you've got like, I think we didn't use that, gallery and testimonials. I don't think you need to really worry about that because that's not where you change your testimonials. You actually do that up here. I'll show you that in a minute. Yeah, so menu settings, that's where I've kind of changed what's on the front of your menu page. So I've put your address and everything there, so you can change stuff there. This is your footer, so I've put that little image in there, and I just put a little section about you guys. You can obviously change that in there, and that's your work hours as well. So pretty much everything you need. It's so easy and straightforward. Just make sure anything you change, that you hit the save button so that it actually saves. So testimonials, if you want to add another testimonial, like I think you had that girl from your Facebook page. Where was she now? Down the bottom here. There is a little across button somewhere. It might not be there because you've only got one testimonial, but when you add more than one testimonial, it will have like a little cross button. So I've allowed like testimonial 2 and 1, and we've already put her in there. So to do that, you would just add her name to this top bit here, and then you'd add the testimonial here, and then you can upload a photo. So instead of remove featured image, this would say upload photo, and you can put her photo in there and say like if she's a customer, and then update it. And you can do that by just adding a new testimonial here and just doing exactly the same thing. I think this will be the events page. So yeah, this is where I put your Christmas event, join Nita's engagement, Tuesday night, pizza, wine board, on the events page. So you can go in here at any time and change the images. You said something like you didn't like the images that were in there, so that's no problem. So you can just add them in here. I know they're really massive images actually, but yeah. And then if you wanted to change that main image, you just click remove featured image and upload a new image. And that'll obviously come up. I'll show you. So events. So at the moment you've got that guy there and Christmas event. Obviously to change that image you would just go here, remove image and upload a new one. And you can also add text and everything as well. So like when you go into the pages you can add different text just by like typing in this box here, so where the images are. You can put any text here, so like if I started to, hey, this is our new event page, yay. Obviously you wouldn't write that, but let's just say I'll change all of this, but let's update that, and then say you went to your Christmas event. So we'll just scroll up and go read more. And then see it says, hey, this is our new event page, yay. That's what I just added. So you could add like heaps of text here, and then your images are all there. So that's how you do it, and people can leave comments underneath, it looks like, so that can be a really great way to kind of interact with people and all of that. So I'll just change that back to what it was. Okay, so that's how you do your events page and change everything on your events page. As for galleries, you mentioned you wanted more images in the gallery. That's not a problem at all. You can just add more images. So I've got our delicious gallery, and that's like the main picture I think I use for it. You'd want to change the text here, so maybe just put like our delicious meals, take a look. You can change this of course, but I'll just change it for now because you don't want that language you can't understand. And then yeah, you can just add more photos and whatever you want. I think it's like down here, hang on. Just having a look where you actually can do that. I think you just say new gallery, because I think that's just one image that we put in there. And then you can add a title, add what it's about, and then set the featured image. And that should all be good to go. I'm just going to check quickly while I'm here.